The 2025 Diamond T201 pickup is a masterful blend of vintage aesthetics and modern technology, bringing back the legendary truck with enhanced performance and luxury. Its design pays homage to the classic Diamond T201, featuring a bold and aggressive stance, a wide front grille, and round LED headlights that seamlessly integrate retro charm with futuristic appeal. The body lines are smooth yet muscular, giving it a commanding presence on the road. The high ground clearance and robust wheel arches further emphasize its durability, making it a standout pickup in its segment. Equipped with a next-generation suspension system, the 2025 Diamond T201 pickup ensures a smooth and controlled ride across various terrains. The advanced shock absorbers and reinforced chassis absorb road imperfections, providing superior comfort whether driving on highways or rugged trails. The independent front suspension and heavy-duty rear setup enhance stability, ensuring the truck remains composed even under heavy loads. This suspension tuning not only improves ride quality but also contributes to better handling, making it a well-balanced machine for both work and leisure. With its all-terrain tires and powerful drivetrain, the Diamond T201 offers exceptional road grip, instilling confidence in any driving condition. Whether navigating wet roads, loose gravel, or icy surfaces, the truck maintains excellent traction and stability. Its electronically controlled differential and intelligent all-wheel drive system distribute power efficiently, preventing slippage and optimizing grip. The steering is responsive and precise, making maneuvering effortless despite its commanding size. The robust braking system ensures quick stopping power, adding another layer of safety to the truck's impressive road performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Diamond T201 pickup is powered by a high-performance V8 engine, delivering exhilarating speed and acceleration. With a refined balance of power and efficiency, the truck effortlessly reaches high speeds while maintaining fuel economy. The advanced transmission system ensures seamless gear shifts, providing a dynamic yet smooth driving experience. Whether hauling heavy loads or enjoying a spirited drive, the pickup's acceleration is responsive, making every ride engaging. The aerodynamic design further reduces drag, enhancing speed and efficiency on long journeys. Inside, the cabin exudes luxury and practicality, blending premium materials with state-of-the-art technology. The interior features a spacious layout with plush leather seats, offering maximum comfort and support for long drives. The dashboard is equipped with a digital instrument cluster and a high-resolution infotainment screen, providing seamless connectivity and navigation. The ambient lighting adds a touch of sophistication, while the high-quality wood and metal accents enhance the vintage-inspired elegance. The seating color options range from classic black to rich tan, allowing drivers to personalize their interior to their preference. With its fusion of heritage-inspired design, cutting-edge performance, and modern comfort, the 2025 Diamond T201 pickup redefines what a classic truck can achieve in the contemporary era. Whether for work, adventure, or everyday driving, it delivers an unmatched combination of power, durability, and refinement, making it a standout choice for pickup enthusiasts.